Hey everyone, this is Vandana and you are watching me on Super Study Tips. Today I will tell you about emotion, some basic emotion. An emotion is a feeling such as happiness, love, fear, anger or hatred and many more, which can be caused by the situation that you are in or by the people that you are with. Emotion is the part of person's character. We will see this emoji. It's a happiness. Happiness is the feeling that comes over you when you know life is good and we can smile. Happiness is a sense of well-being. When we received or when we get something that we are longing for it, we feel happiness. Now we will see another emotion. It's a sadness. Sadness is something that you experience when we feel disappointed or disinterest. When we feel grief. When we lose something like our precious toys or dearest. Let's see another emoji. It's an anger. Anger is defined as a strong feeling of displeasure, annoyance. Anger can be considered as a secondary emotion. We feel or we experience anger when people hurt or harm us. When people criticize us, we feel anger. Anger means now we will see another emotion. It's a surprise. When we receive gifts from the very unexpected way, we feel surprised. Like it's a sudden feeling of wonder when we receive gifts from unexpected way. We experience surprise. Another emotion. It's a fear. Fear is a powerful emotion that can play an important role in people's lives. When we feel some sort of danger, we feel or experience fear. When we go through some unknown or unexpected vision or sound, we also feel fear. Let's see the emotion of disgust. Like when we don't like something. Disgust is a strong feeling of dislike. When we dislike smell, taste, action or idea, we make our face, I don't like it. So friends, I hope that this video is beneficial for you. And if you like the video, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be able to get notification of my new video. Bye bye.